As a parent, my motive is to teach my child a good living, healthy lifestyle, healthy habits. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I am teaching my kid a healthy lifestyle. My main aim is to teach him from childhood to start a healthy morning. So today I'm going to share with you how we are doing a celery juice routine as a family and how he loves drinking celery juice. So now I'm going to make a celery juice, one for me, my husband and my toddler. For him, I'm going to strain celery juice because he can enjoy celery juice without fiber in it. So for him, I'm going to strain it, but for me, I am just going to drink as it is. So before we start the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do let me know how you like my video, and if you like my video, please hit that like button. So here I'm going to use organic celery sticks. See, as a parent, we can help our children develop healthy habits early in life that will bring a lifelong benefits for them. My technique is to start doing things by myself. So when I will do it, he sees me doing it, and then he will also learn and start doing it, and then he will enjoy it as a family. Here I'm going to wash my celery sticks first before I start making my juice. I'm going to cut celery so that it will be easy for me to make a juice in a blender. I don't have a juicer, so I'm going to use my blender to make a celery juice. I'm going to put all my celery sticks into the blender. So here I am doing something different. People usually do not like to add anything into the celery juice to reap its full benefit. But my motive here is to teach my child a healthy lifestyle. So I have to dilute this celery juice so that he just like it. And then when he likes it, he can drink celery juice as it is without a water. So for him, I have to add water. I'm going to add little bit more water so that it will be enough for me, my husband, and for him. I'm going to make 2 full glasses for us and a little for him because it's his first time, and then I have to make him like it so that next time he wants it. If for the first time he will not like it, maybe next time he will deny drinking this juice. So that's why I diluted this juice, and I'm going to give him a little bit just for a start, and then let's see if he likes it. So he definitely loves enjoying this juice, and then we're gonna do this early in the morning, 30 minutes before our breakfast. So I will see you in the next video with some another new healthy habit lifestyle video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you next video. Bye.